Welcome to another video about how to find PhD, MS admission or scholarship in any foreign university. This is my second video. As you can see, I give the name second here and second video, and just follow this step. In previous step we just told that just go to university website. This step is also about just go to university website and find your PhD or MS or scholarship in that university. So let's go to university website, and this is the last university, University of Malaya. This is one of the university in Malaysia. So what I recommend that in this tutorial that you must need to write to your potential supervisor. For example, if you want to do PhD or MS or bachelor in any field, in computer engineering or in IT or in sciences, you just go to university website. I mean now main university website. This is you all think the staff, alumni, everything is here. So what I recommend, just you go to academics. When you go to academics, you read these things properly in a very careful way. Do not ask somebody that how I will find scholarship, how I will get PhD admission, how I will get master admission. Do it by yourself. You just need computer or mobile and internet. And if you are searching PhD or MS, you are already literate. You know how to use computer, how to use internet. Just come down and you will see faculty and academics, institute and centers. A very clear signal is there. Faculty are there, academias, institute and centers. So in this approach, second approach, I am telling that you just need to find the supervisor email and you find your potential supervisor. Okay, just click this one and here click on faculties. Very simple, very easy. Now all faculty are here. For example, this is the faculty of computer science and information technology. This is the faculty of business and accountancy. This is the faculty of art and social sciences, faculty of education, faculty of engineering. Let's go now to faculty of computer science and information technology. So very interesting. When I click on it, so a new page is open now here, and when you scroll down, so you will see that go to website. When I click it, so I reach to the main website of faculty of computer science and information technology, and you can see that there are many tabs on the top of this place, and that tabs contain arrows. That arrows contain a lot of information. You see about us, program, research, staff, students, alumni. So let's go to about this department. So history, mission and vision. Let's come to departments. Oh, departments. Under the main department, faculty of computer science and information technology, there is a departments. So departments of artificial intelligence. Just click this one. Oh, when you click this one, you will reach to faculty. MashaAllah, you see a lot of faculties are here, and now you need to drop in email, and you know many emails here. You just need to drop in email to any teacher. And if you need further study, so just go to their profile or just take their names and Google it, so you will know that what are the specialty of these people and those kind of things. And this is how you approach to a potential supervisor, and you drop in email and tell that I am interested in your field, and do you have any scholarship, or can I do PhD under your supervision, or can I do my PhD or my master under your supervision, and do you have any research grant or research assistant? You can ask many questions. So in the coming videos I will tell that how to write in a proper email, and you will get benefits from that. Thanks for watching.